A lot of people do not know that there are other platforms where they can earn money by uploading videos. A lot of people do not know that you can make money directly from Facebook just by uploading videos. Before now, Facebook was that platform where online business owners went to promote their work. You can share links to your website, share links to your YouTube videos, share links to your online courses, to your online shop. Yeah, share links to whatever other platform that you make money from. Because yeah, before now, you cannot make money directly from Facebook. It's just for promotion. You build your page just so you can promote your content there. But today, I bring you some good news. With YouTube's steep competition nowadays, it's time to try another platform if YouTube is not working for you. Even if YouTube is working for you, Facebook will make another great stream of income, wouldn't it? This is how much I made from my Facebook page from October 2019 till date, with 2 million monetizable views. In this video, I'll share how you can start earning money too if you're a content creator. Just like YouTube has minimum requirements of 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers before you can monetize your videos on YouTube, Facebook has its own minimum requirements as well. The following are what you need to have before you can make money on Facebook. 1. You must have a Facebook page. If you're already on Facebook, chances are that what you have right now is a personal Facebook profile. At the moment, you cannot make money with your personal Facebook profile. To make money on Facebook, you need to create a Facebook page. Brands and public figures like celebrities normally use Facebook pages more than personal Facebook profiles. One way to distinguish between a Facebook personal profile and a Facebook page, usually known as a Facebook business page, because it's mostly brands and celebrities that use Facebook pages, is that on your personal Facebook profile, you can add people as friends and people can add you as friends. But on a Facebook page, people can only like or follow the page. You cannot add a page as a friend. By now, a lot of people can tell the difference between a page and a personal profile. This is my Facebook page. You can see the number of likes and the number of followers. If you have an existing Facebook page, maybe for your online business, then you've met the first requirement. If you don't have a Facebook page, then it's time to create one if you want to start earning on Facebook. It's very easy to create a Facebook page. It's as easy as creating a personal profile. Just Google it. That's number 1. Number 2. That page must have at least 10,000 followers or fans or likes. Yeah, this one does not need any explanation. Again, if you have an existing Facebook page with over 10,000 followers or fans, then you've met the second requirement. If you have a page but you don't have up to 10,000 followers on your page, then it's time to start posting engaging content that will bring you new fans to get you up to 10,000 followers. As you can see here, back in October, before my page was monetized, I've met the second requirement. Number 3, I have to read this one because it gets my head spinning. You must have at least 30,000 1-minute views on videos that are at least 3 minutes long in the past 60 days. I'll break this one down in 3 parts. Part 3A. On Facebook, you can only monetize videos that are at least 3 minutes long. So to qualify for monetization, you should start uploading videos that are at least 3 minutes long on your Facebook page you want to make money from. This does not mean that you cannot upload videos that are less than 3 minutes long on that page. You can, just that those videos will not help you qualify for monetization. neither can those videos be monetized ever. At least for now. I don't know if they're going to change the rule tomorrow, but as of today, you cannot monetize any video that is less than 3 minutes long. Part 3B. For you to qualify for monetization in the first place, you must have at least 30,000 views, where the viewers watched the video for at least 1 minute. Facebook tracks the duration of each view on your video and separates them into 3-second views, 10-second views, and 1 minute views. Facebook can only monetize views that are at least 1 minute long inside that video, and those 1 minute views must be at least 30,000 for you to qualify for monetization. I don't know if that makes sense. Again, before I fully qualified for monetization, you can see that my page had qualified for the first one. I met with their partner policies. My page was in good standing. All my posts followed community guidelines. But at that time, the videos I uploaded directly to Facebook were mostly only 1 minute long videos. As you can see here, from their calculation, I've only met 1% of the 30,000 1 minute views on videos that are at least 3 minutes long. This was on 7th October 2019. I got to work to improve on that by uploading a 3 minute long video. And by 13th October, I met the requirement. Part 3C. You must get those 30,000 1 minute long views within the 3 minute long videos in the past 60 days. That's 2 months. I don't know how else to explain this one other than those 30,000 views must come from the previous 60 days. That's 2 months. For instance, if you're counting from today is 23rd of April, you must count back, probably back to 23rd February. So from 23rd February to 23rd April, roughly, is 2 months, right? So those views on your page must come within these 2 dates. Any views you get probably in January will not count. Remember, these views are when a viewer views your 3 minute long video for at least 1 minute. Yeah, I think I got it now. Yeah, that's how I can explain it. When a viewer views a 3 minute long video on your page for at least 1 minute, that counts as a view. You can see here where I have all my Facebook posts. Only the 3 minute long videos are monetized. This one is 3 minutes and 42 seconds monetized. This one is a video that is 1 minute long, can't be monetized. Another video that is 56 seconds long can't be monetized. Then once you see a video that meets the requirement, boom, monetized. I'm sure you get the picture by now. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends who you think have what it takes to create content online, so that they can start now before Facebook becomes oversaturated like YouTube. One important thing, please note that Facebook is very harsh on copyright infringement. They don't take any prisoners. So make sure you only upload content that you own or content that you have express permission to upload on Facebook, so that your videos will not be taken down. Once the owner finds out that you uploaded his or her content and reports you to Facebook, they take the video down immediately. They do not waste time. And that one misstep will mean that you may never be monetized ever again with that page on Facebook. You have to probably go and create another Facebook page and start from the beginning to build your audience, to get to 10,000 followers and all that. Even if you're already monetized, one misstep will mean that you will be banned for life. Yeah, you may never be able to monetize your content on Facebook. So please be careful. Make sure you upload only your content, or if it's not your content, you have permission to share it online, please. So yes, Facebook has its own requirements before you can start making money on there. But the good news is that yes, you can make money over there, just like you can here on YouTube. If you're already a YouTube content creator here, that means you already have content. So you can go over to Facebook. if you feel that your content on you, because really each platform has the kind of content that does well there. So if you feel that the content you upload here on YouTube already can get you views on Facebook, why not go over there and start cashing in? They made this monetization, that's Facebook made this monetization open to the general public late last year, and that was when I was monetized, and I'm still learning the ropes. I don't know everything. Their creator studio, they're still developing it, trying to make it better every day. That means there's a lot of changes. Sometimes I come in, something I saw over here the other time is no longer over there, it's moved to this place. So I am still, it's a steep learning curve even for me that have been on Facebook platform for a long time. So I hope to share more videos on this if you guys will want that. But yeah, that will be when I am confident that I've learned something, or confident that it will probably not change. That is one thing with this kind of content. It's ever changing. Even this one that I teach you now, if you don't go in now and do it, probably tomorrow, everything will change, the requirement will change and all of that. So, but I'll try my best to do that as time goes on. So subscribe if you want to get that information anytime in the future. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye.